In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in Robinhood, the popular investing app that allows you to trade stocks, ETFs, and more without paying commissions. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your favorite web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you prefer. In the search bar, type in Robinhood Login and hit Enter. This should take you to the official Robinhood website. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to look for the option to create an account. Scroll down a bit and you should see a button that says Create Account. Go ahead and click on that. It'll redirect you to the Account Creation section, where the fun begins. Next, you'll need to select your region. It's important because Robinhood is only available in certain areas. After selecting your region, you'll need to fill out some basic information. Start with your name. Now, it's time to put in your email address alongside a secure password. Make sure your password is strong to keep your account safe. Once you've entered all that, the next step is to provide your phone number. This is a crucial part of the process, so make sure you enter it correctly. After adding your phone number, you'll need to provide your residential address and postal code as well. This is necessary for compliance with financial regulations. Now, here comes the exciting part. After you've filled all that out, Robinhood will send a verification code to your phone number. Take a moment to check your messages, find the code, and input it into the designated field on the website. This extra layer of verification helps protect your account, so don't skip this step. Once you've successfully verified your phone number, you'll move on to the next screen. Here, you'll be prompted to review and accept some agreements. It might seem like a lot of legal jargon, but it's essential for using the app. Take a moment to read through the information and then select Yes or Agree to proceed. Now, after you've accepted the agreements, you'll need to fill in a bit more personal information. This may include details like your employment status, income range, and investment experience. Don't worry, this is standard procedure for any financial platform, and it helps Robinhood understand your profile better. Once you've completed all the required fields, it's time to review your information to make sure everything is accurate. Double-check your name, email, and all the other details to avoid any issues down the line. If everything looks good, go ahead and hit the Submit button. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Robinhood account. Now, you're all set to start exploring and investing. Just remember to take your time learning about different investment options and to make informed decisions as you grow your portfolio. Thank you for joining me today.